This is Mardel's Christian Store and Education. So look at all the teasing stuff. Mardel's, if you're paying attention.
Crochet cow.
Cool, crochet cow. Mardel's, if you're paying attention, please build one in San Antonio. It's hard having to go 5 hours away, or even to Corpus 2 hours away, to go shopping for teaching stuff. And I love Christian stuff too. Like, come on, build one in San Antonio. Look at this. I mean, expo markers, bulletin boards. And I'm just walking up and down some aisles. I'm not gonna do the whole store, but I'll go to the Christian stuff too. I'm not gonna edit this video. I'm just gonna, teachers, you know all this stuff. Like, this is huge. Look how much stuff I have. So I'm not gonna edit this video. It's the way it is. I'm just gonna, unless I get a copyright strike, and then I might have to do some other stuff. But math supplies, all these books, like science. Come on, Mardel's, get one, please, in San Antonio area. San Antonio would do well with this. So this will be the last education aisle. But they have so many that I go through. They have so much more. And so many things that they could do with. I love it. And I love the music that they play here, which hopefully, because of YouTube, hopefully I won't get a copyright strike. But then they have arts and crafts stuff, kind of, sort of. Pens. So I'm trying to find Micah now. Oh, there she is. Christmas stuff, since it's now November 1st where we're doing this.
It's the nativity and the cross.
Ooh, I like that cross. Look at all this stuff. Ooh,
I like the colors and everything.
That's pretty. 50% off. Teach to inspire heroes and scrubs. So they have different. If you've never been to a Mardel's, you need to get to a Mardel's fast and tell them we need one wherever you live. They do have them around. Jesus is King. That's right. But I mean, here's the Christian stuff. And then they even have a lot more. They have Bibles on the other side and all that. But look at this, books, games over there. Christian, or yes, children's Christian stuff, movies and books, children's books. Like, come on. All right, speaking of movies and shows, I'm going back around. So, if you know where you can watch VeggieTales out at on a app, streaming app, let me know, as we're looking for stuff like that, just because we like it. They have everything except for food.
Backup Code 1 Bibles.
Jesus is the reason for the season.
Backup Code 1 Bibles.
So anyways, with that, I'm gonna stop looking around, or stop videoing, and arts and crafts stuff. Look at this. And anyways,
Christmas t-shirt.
yeah, I saw them too. They're on the other aisles. And then look at these trees. I said I was gonna stop, and now I can't stop. I got it.
Oh, ceramic LED bulb.
Oh. So anyways, all right, I'm gonna stop now. But look at I keep saying that, and look at all those shirts up there. I don't know if you can see them, but you could choose. Anyways, thank you for joining us. And Mardel's, again, build one in San Antonio. And if you have not been to a Mardel's, you need to get to one and see what and support them as well. So anyways, thank you for joining us and have a magical day.